If you're a medical lab technologist, have you ever wished to relocate and practice in the United States of America? If your answer is yes, I'm a bearer of some good news because today's video, we concentrate on lab technologists and we talk about requirements needed to start practicing as a foreign educated lab technician in the United States of America. These are must-have requirements. You can apply with the agency who will guide you through some of the process to acquire all the requirements needed to petition for your green card for the purpose of immigrating. So you have to have these requirements for the agency to be able to petition for you. Does it mean you can't apply with the agency? No, these are all that you must have. Before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Mariantina and I'm a full-time practicing nurse here in Phoenix, Arizona. I moved in the United States in 2019 and there are so many foreign educated healthcare workers wanting to come and practice in the United States of America. And that's why I created this YouTube channel to pass information that can help internationally educated healthcare workers with information around the process of immigrating to the United States of America and practicing their profession. So I'm going to talk about the agency needed to have this healthcare professional. We are going to talk about what are the requirements, so forth. So it is just information regarding how you can immigrate and practice as a foreign educated healthcare workers. So guys, if you are new here, please do subscribe, do share, do comment on some of the content you want me to create. This video is a courtesy of one subscriber who requested me to do a video about other healthcare workers. Minimum requirements to allow you to practice as a medical technologist in the United States of America. At number 1, you must have a degree in medical laboratory technologist or a degree in medical science. Those are the information I got from the agencies that will help you. You must have a bachelor degree, not a diploma, not an associate, not a certification. It must be a bachelor's degree. Once you have your bachelor degree, you must have an active medical laboratory technologist license. Your license must be active, your license must be current. Then you must have experience and they require a minimum of 1 to 2 years experience. That's fair. You can't come out of school and just, decide like, I'm going to practice in the United States as a lab technologist. No, you have to have that experience. Then you will require your credential to be evaluated by a body known as CGFNs. CGFNs have to evaluate your credential to ensure that your credentials are as par as the United States education standards. The CGFNs will then give you a visa screen. Visa screen is to say that you've taken the necessary test, your credential has been evaluated, and you're legally allowed to practice as a medical technologist in the United States of America. You will have to do an English proficiency test to determine if you're proficient in English. And English test, you can do the IELTS, you can do the OET, you can do the TOEFL. Just make sure the examination you're taking for the English is recognized by CGFNs because you will need it. Then you will have to get your certification from either of these two bodies. One is ASCP. ASCP stands for American Society for Clinical Pathology, or the AMT, which stands for American Medical Technologist. So yes guys, there you have it. Your bachelor's degree, your license, you have to have your credential evaluated, you have to have a visa screen, you have to do a proficiency test, you have to have a certification from ASP or AMT, and you have to have your clinical experience. For nurses who are foreign educated, please do watch this video on link above. It is on basic requirements you must have as a nurse before you start the USRN journey. Even before applying for agency, please ensure you have these requirements. Again, the link is right at this corner.